Hello, 𝗕ṛ𝗶𝗴, Koenig Bauer. Here we are at our CEC Centre, some really exciting things going on here. We're installing a brand new Rapida 106X with a completely beautiful press configuration with double coaters, printing units in between the coaters, cold foil. But anyway, we're in the middle of this installation and it's something I really wanted to show you that I like. We have an option to supply the raise for this press. On a packaging press, it's very common to have the press raised up off the floor, and we have stilts. So you would provide a sound flat floor, we provide the stilts, and the press sits on top of the stilts. That allows us to run at maximum speeds of up to 22,000 sheets an hour and changing the pile over on the fly. Because at Koenig Bauer, we're on it.